and gentlemen. Electro Bolt. One of my favorite Pokemon. Pikachu. And your girlfriend. Cyborg, kulang. Tulong tayo, Brad. Siraan dyan, siraan. Kickstart. Car guys, helping car guys. Damn. RX-7, ladies and gentlemen. RX-7. Oh, look what just came here to party. Ladies and gentlemen, right now it's beginning to get wild in the curve. Everybody's arriving right now. Another RWB just arrived, ladies and gentlemen. A blue RWB. 1048 style. Miyabi. RWB Miyabi. Oh, we got another one. Rough World. Wow, with a golden rims, ladies and gentlemen. RWB. Yun yung, ladies and gentlemen, slipping and sliding. Oh, an NS6, ladies and gentlemen. NS6, oh my. Told you it's gonna get wilder. Grabe yung lapad ng rims nung RWB, Brad. No? Super wide fender. Scrape that. Straight. Three-wheeling, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Walk. Nissan S15. Ganda. Oh, mean looking. S15 from Liberty Walk. Brad, solid Brad. Tama, maybe video ba tayo? Solid din. Ayun o. Snow White is in the building, ladies and gentlemen. Nissan Silvia S15 Liberty Walk. Grabe yan, Brad. Wild. With a Mitsubishi. Grabe to, kapatid. Supra. It's a Supra. Damn, ladies and gentlemen. It's getting wilder and wilder here at the curb. RX-7, ladies and gentlemen. RX-7, mga kapatid. Oh, sorry. It's not an RX-7. It is a, I don't know what car that is, but it's not an RX-7. Again, a Nissan Silvia S15. Let's go. A fucking Evo. Gentlemen, this is the roll-in of the entries dito sa Retro Havoc, mga kapatid. So most probably gonna be staying here. Yan natin yung mga papasok. Ano to, Brad? Or we're gonna be staying there para tingnan yung mga pagpasok nila. This is the S15 Nissan Silvia Ultra Racing. Ganda. Hello. Mazda Miata. Ganda. Wide body kits. Pogi, brother, you know. Ali with the S14. Let's go, baby. Mr. Retro Havoc, the one and only. Plus, mga kapatid, we got the RWB color green. Name Rough Rhythm. And a baby blue RWB. Name Miyabi. Ladies and gentlemen. Next to it is RWB Carpet. Ganda nung paglabas nyo. Ayan o. Liberty Walk. Ladies and gentlemen, Liberty Walk. Nissan Silvia S15 with the Bosu. Parang Bosu. There you go. Bogi. Followed by the all-stock Toyota Supra. ladies and gentlemen, an Audi R freaking 8 on a color red theme. Grabe, ganda, Brad. Ganda. GR Yaris. Old school on the event. Awesome car. And the chime check, it's 10:42. 10:42 pa lang, mga kapatid. There you go, the Tommy Mackinnon. Grabe, Brad. You know, diba? Awesome rides, awesome cars. Nung ano natin, no? Nung mic natin, sa sobrang eruption that's happening on the downpour. Parang gusto ko doon. Lang naman, dyan ka na. Brother, yung ano. Tsaka, teka, tanginat si Makoy. Iwan ang gamit ng boat. Oh! The hostility, ladies and gentlemen. Hostility. Mga kapatid, yung makikita natin on this side of the area. So again, mga nagpasukan na to. GT86. And then the Zafiro, Brad. You know, GTR 35. And then ito yung ano, GR Yaris. And then you all know one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite right here. The Nissan S15 Silvia with a Liberty Walk. And then the all stock Toyota Supra. Yan na yan, brother. Hi. Bro. Alright, and then the RWB. Kagayaki. Alright. Oh, this is RWB Kagayaki.
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, with the gold rim, sir. How are you? How are you? Awesome car. Hands down. Thank you. With the gold rims, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. RWB Kagayaki. Mga kapatid, mainit na dito. Konti pa lang yung mga kotse, pero grabe na. Ibang klase. And this is what we signed up for. This is Retro Havoc 2026. So again, dapat pala mag-conserve tayo ng boses kasi mag-host pa tayo sa Sunday. Mga kapatid, napakainit, Brad. So we gotta drink our vitamins. We gotta sleep early tonight. Para bukas, again, this is only a Friday evening. 10:48 is the time. Nagpapasukan pala yung mga kotse. It's crazy, bro. Retro Havoc is different. Check out some cars that are gonna be entering. FL5, ladies and gentlemen. GR Yaris. Another, parang Toyota. Tommy Mackinnon. The old school crown, ladies and gentlemen. Grabe. I feel the heat already, man. The 280SX, one of our favorite. 180, sorry. 180SX. Ganda, Brad. Another FL5 Type R. Ito na, Brad. Nagpapasok ka na. Another GR Yaris, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. And we got a piece. Y2K build, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Oh yeah. Pitik-pitik lang muna tayo, pahipahingan. This is just the roll in. Gotta conserve our energy for the roll out. Oh yeah. Dodge Challenger. Mitsubishi Pajero. And ayaw nilang dumaan ako sa likod. Alright, 350Z 86. The Veilside RX-7 86, ladies and gentlemen. FL5 Mustang High Praise S2000 Yellow. Man, a lot of crazy cars. BMW EK. All walks of life, ladies and gentlemen. All walks of life are here in Malaysia right now, joining the Retro Havoc Viva. Another 3 right here. Lady C. Brad, naririnig yun sa labas yun. It's like a war up in there. Grabe yan, Brad. So again, Hinarangan. Damn. RX-7, ladies and gentlemen. RX-7. Oh, look what just came here to party. Ladies and gentlemen, our pride and joy, the Honda Civic EF9. Grabe. Ganda. Hatchback. Takumi-san. Straight out of Fujiwara Tofu Factory to Retro Havoc. Mga kapatid, Nissan Skyline R33. Oh. And a 180SX. Solid din yun, Brad. 15 Sylvia with the Fujiwara Tofu Factory livery. Yan ang kapatid, oh. So nag-decide na mag-Nissan si Bunta, kapatid. Yan, oh. Ladies and gentlemen, Electro Bolt, one of my favorite Pokemon, Pikachu. And your girlfriend loves my Pikachu. Grabe naman yun, sir. Hey, let's go. Your girlfriend loves my Pikachu. Sorry. Your girlfriend loves my Pikachu. Your girlfriend loves my Pikachu. Ito yung Proton na finisher ni Larry Jen. Yan, o. Ganda. BMW. Sabi na yun, nagpupumba na sa loob. It is going wild. It is going crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Cyborg, tulak. Tulong tayo, Brad. Sirahan dyan, nasirahan. Kickstart. Car guys, helping car guys. Adrenalines are high. So may minsan nasisiraan. Pero yan, marami naman nagtutulungan dito. Car guys, helping car guys. Again, I think we gotta go home. I think we're gonna call it a night. Medyo wild na talaga yung nangyayari. Tomorrow's gonna be wilder. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, live from Tokyo Drift. 350Z. Pogi, brado. With a tribal insignia. Guwapo, kapatid. Gotta love and miss the Tokyo Drift. Yung golden era talaga eh. Yan o. Hey, guwapo. Let's go. Brad, eto na. Retro Havoc. Grabe! Ikutin natin to, Brad. Tara, Brad, titingnan natin. Okay, ayun, lumuhod, Brad. Teka lang, titingnan natin. Lumuhod siya. Siya yung lumuhod. Ayan. Ito na yung Grand Draw nila. Honda Odyssey.